Today's a very special day. Went to pick up the MR2 and here we are. It's still in the workshop, just going to have a look now. As you can see, there's a few Evos in there, but yeah, they let me have an MR2 in there, so that's okay. It's about time they had a decent car in the workshop. But look at that, that is beautiful. That looks absolutely fantastic. You would never imagine that there was a different car welded onto the back of this, and yeah, I'm really happy with the work that I've done there. With the preparation, of course, I didn't paint it. Got a pro to paint it, and yeah, here it is at home. You can see the boot lid down there on the ground, looking pretty snazzy. That big hole's for the air vent, and the NACA ducts came out really well. I'm very happy with how they worked out. Yeah, you can't see any joins there at all. It's fantastic. Time will tell whether there's any cracks or anything, but hopefully not. You can see the big hole in the back there. That's the exit of the intercooler. I haven't fitted the intercooler yet. I'll be doing that next weekend. I'll do a subsequent video once all that's been fitted. But yeah, it's all looking pretty tidy. Paint's really nice. Pretty good job. It's not a show car job, but it's good enough for a race car. I haven't put the flares on that side just yet. And you can see there the doors have been painted as well. Previously they were just raw, well not raw carbon fibre, but they were coated carbon fibre. So I'm just going for the natural red look. And there's the other side, looking just as good. So yeah, it's going to take a while to get used to looking at the car like this, looking, you know, like a bit more of a street car, I suppose. It was a little bit more extreme before when it had all the carbon all over it. And you can see there's absolutely no sign of any joins there, which is fantastic. I'm really happy. So next stage is to bolt everything back on. I'm still working on the rear lights. Had a couple of problems with those, putting clear coat on them. Part of the plastic didn't like the clear coat and kept crazing, so I've gone for plan B, but I'm still working on that. So you'll see those taillights in the next video. And here it is a few hours later. I've bolted a few things on. I've put the flare on the left hand side there, just to show you what it's going to look like. And the boot lid's all done. The scoop is mounted, and the wing is all mounted and bolted down, and I've got the bonnet pins on. So the boot is completely finished now, and if I do say so myself, it looks fantastic. I'm really happy with how it's turned out, and it's going to look great when the lights are in as well. And then you'll be able to see the intercooler through that hole as well. It'll look epic. And when I've got the fastback engine lid on, that will also you know, just sort of finish it off and make it look fantastic too. And I'm probably going to get the front painted as well. Originally I wasn't going to do that, but I'm going to do that now. I'll unbolt all those panels and take them to the paint shop. I've still got enough paint to repaint those, so that shouldn't be too much of an effort at all. But I'll do that in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, that's my update. Once I've finished, I'll provide another one. See you soon.